Renewable Energy Grid Integration. Welcome to the Electricity Forum Training Institute, or EFTI, a trusted leader in electrical training for the North American power industry. Since 1986, we've trained more than 60,000 electrical professionals to work safer, smarter, and in compliance with today's complex renewable energy codes and standards. This 12-hour instructor-led course explores the impact of variable renewable energy power generation on grid stability, voltage regulation, and reliability. It explains advanced smart control systems, microgrids, energy storage, and demand response strategies that enable smooth and secure renewable integration. What you'll learn. Students will learn the challenges of integrating renewables into the grid stability and frequency control, voltage regulation, and the role of microgrids and distributed energy resources. The course also covers energy storage, demand response, advanced control and communication systems, and the standards and regulatory frameworks that guide renewable adoption. This course involves detailed lectures and group discussions. Students review global case studies of renewable integration projects and gain practical strategies to enhance grid stability, meet regulatory requirements, and improve reliability. Who should attend? This course is designed for utility engineers and smart power grid designers, renewable energy developers, grid operators, and consultants. This course comes with a Renewable Energy Grid Integration Training Certificate, 1.2 CEU credits, 12 professional development hours, and comprehensive technical reference guides. Register for Renewable Energy Grid Integration training to ensure reliable and efficient renewable adoption.